Well, hello there, LinkedIn community. Are you ready to unlock your inner victor? Well, you have come to the right place. You see, we at BoostThru have an amazing virtual resilience workshop that's focused on you discovering that victor in you. And it's all happening on Saturday. Yes, Saturday, January 6th, between 9:30 a.m. 11 to 11:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, all virtually and packed with strategies for you to overcome those obstacles in your personal as well as your professional life. So let me share some highlights of what Carla, our last Resilience November 15 workshop participant, had to say about her experience with us. You see, she said it was an absolutely incredible and life-changing experience for her. She viewed the workshop as exceeding her expectations of teaching practical and effective resilience strategies for day-to-day living. She also mentioned that she loved the practicality of the strategies that were taught. You see, Carla also said that I, as a facilitator, I actually not only provided theoretical knowledge, but I also guided them in applying those strategies to real life situations. She made reference to the practical exercises and the tools that were available to them immediately for application in their day-to-day living. Now, Carla also found me knowledgeable and passionate about resilience cultivation, and that is indeed true. She said that's what actually caused her to have a very enriching learning experience, that passion she observed. See, overall, she found the workshop to be a game-changing experience. But it doesn't stop there. Our highly interactive workshop session fosters networking and community connections, meaningful community connections, creating a supportive environment for healing and empowerment. And that's all aligned to BoostThru's mission. Guess what? We have an exclusive early bird registration discount that's actually expiring on December 1st, this Friday, December 1st. Now you have to hurry. Limited spots are available and you have to reserve your spot now. Be a part of this transformative workshop experience and unleash your true potential. Go to the link in the description and register at boostthru.com/resilience dash workshop. Get ready to embark on a journey of resilience, growth, and empowerment. Together, we will overcome life's challenges and become unstoppable. See you there. Goodbye.